Hello everyone, for today's video, I will show you 10 keyboard shortcuts used in Windows 11. Let's go. Press Windows logo key plus S to get personalized search results for people, email, and files in local and shared sites, or from the web. Press Windows logo key plus W or swipe the left edge of your screen to go right to your widgets board. Press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S to capture and mark up all or part of your PC screen or any image, then save and share. Press Windows logo key plus V to save recent copied or cut items on the clipboard so you can paste them in other apps or sync across devices. Press Windows logo key plus period to search for images, symbols, or icons to express emotions or communicate playfully without words. You'll find emoji and GIFs here too. Press Windows logo key plus D to quickly minimize all your open apps so you can get to your desktop. Press them again to bring everything back. Press Windows logo key plus L to quickly lock your screen so others can't access your PC. Press Windows logo key plus Tab to show and switch between open windows, apps, or virtual desktops. Press Windows logo key plus right or left arrow to perfectly snap windows to the sides of your screen automatically. No manual resizing or positioning needed. And lastly, press Windows logo key plus A to get to commonly used settings like volume, brightness, and Wi-Fi. That's all guys for today's video. I hope you learned something. If you don't want to miss out my future videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell below.